Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy J Gamers coming back with a whole nother video, and today I'm super excited for this one because we got a package from Stiiizy again. They sent us before the Fonto Leafs. It was a vibe. This time they sent us the golden and the original to try out. No complaints last time. I'm excited. I'm gonna rip up the original, get that rolled up, get it smoking. Before we get into it, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, please do all that stuff, man. We're on the road to 200 subscribers, man. Once we get to the 200 bomb, I don't know, what should we do? Do we do like a 2-gram dab? Do we do 2 grams in a blunt or something crazy? I don't know. We gotta do something cool though. Let me know if you have any ideas. Let me know. We'll do something cool. Also, you guys gotta peep the shirt. Y'all see the SpongeBob? That's my shit, man. It's my favorite show, bro. We got Gary on that logo. Meow. You feel me? Anyway, back on track. Today I'm gonna be smoking a modified banana from Shango. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I smoked this already because it's usually a solid smoke. They have usually great quality, so no complaints there. Should be perfect to roll up. Let's just get into it. All right, here we go. So getting into the wrap, I noticed on the back we have a little verification, so you know you're smoking real shit. That's kind of a huge problem, at least for me, when I'm in the smoke shop. Like even when I'm picking up raw papers, I'm like, I don't 100% know if these are real. You know, there's that time you're like, the vibe is terrible, but this gives you, you know, that verification. You be like, yo, smoking legit shit. We already know how it looks for the most part, man. It's one big ol' leaf. Oh, it just keeps going, man. There she is. The best part about this is you're able to cut off exactly what you need for your session when you're rolling up. If you need something small, you cut something small. If you need something large, you use the ham near and a half thing. Whatever you gotta do, you're able to do. Like I said, we are going to be checking out the original today. We're going to get her cut up. Alright, so to start off, you can of course use just your hands to tear off a piece. I'm going to use scissors, try to get an even cut, you know what I mean? Oh, that piece is called my name right there, but that's just perfect. I kind of cut more than I think I need to. You can always trim off, but you can't add on. That should not be weighted scissors. You know what I'm saying? We have our piece cut off. We're able to put the rest of the wrap away. Look at that. It's only me smoking right now, so I don't need anything too crazy, too large. You know what I mean? Stay humble. Alright, it's time to get to master. It's time to get to crafting, baby. It's time to get to craft. So, I'm just gonna make a little bow on the wraps. Put a little less where we're hitting it from. Put a little more at the top. Nothing out the usual. Nothing out the usual. Just a normal roll. It is a normal roll, baby. As I get to crafting this motherfucker, it's kind of crazy how easy this is to roll. I think it can be intimidating at first, but once you give it a little bit of shape, start to get your tuck a little bit, it really rolls itself. Like we're really gonna give it this little final tuck and roll, and we're gonna be really smoking. The blizzy. Like, come on, man. That was so. It took me like Dutch amount of time to roll that thing, bro. Like, one thing is you want to make sure you keep your bag sealed for sure to keep, you know, everything nice and fresh. You want anything drying up on you before you get all the use out of it. I'm so excited to smoke this, bro. I love it. We're not gonna waste any more time. We're just gonna get into this. Cheers. Shout out to Stiiizy. Thank you, man. I appreciate you guys. Without further ado, I'm excited. Damn. This will be nice too, since I already smoked the golden. Since I'm smoking the original, I'll be able to kind of give you guys comparisons to which I prefer personally, which you might prefer. Oh man, I fuck with this original. Yeah, this is surprisingly so smooth. Oh my god. Kind of amazed. What's cool about these wraps is they're USA grown. They are made on American soil. That's how you know you're getting the best quality while also supporting local farmers. Is a win-win. Like I was saying, the ability to just trim it exactly what you need, how you need, for what you're smoking. I don't always like to roll big blunts. Sometimes I need like a Dutch size. Sometimes I'll do that. Sometimes it's a weekend night and I'm feeling a little crazy. I'll roll something big. The Leaf allows me to do based off of its texture and freshness. So you know you're getting the best. And I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. I'm on this channel, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. Like, if something isn't good, I'm gonna say, I don't like something. I'll be honest. I like something. I'll be honest. That's how you know it's a good one. You just sit back. We're about halfway through the original. I'm gonna say the original is my pick over the golden. I just like how classic it is. And like it's a vibe. But I do not want to make this video too long. If you made it this far, I appreciate you as always. I got shit on my ignore all that. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was a mess, man. I apologize. I'm so sorry. I don't even know what's over there. Oh, we got another video in that box right there. That's that box. That's another video coming soon. Little glass review. I'm waiting for another piece in the mail. That'll be cool. Anyways, I appreciate you guys if you made it this far, man. Drop a like if you enjoyed. Hit me with a sub if you're not subbed. Smoke good weed. Let's find some cool places to smoke. Next time you see that Stiiizy Fonto Leaf, give it a try. Try it out. I appreciate you guys again. Thank you, Stiiizy.